Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can upload or add a custom font in Canva. First, you have to make sure that you have a premium account or you are using at least a Canva Pro, because note that you can't do this using just a free account. Next thing to do is to simply open a design. Now, on your design, click on an existing text or just create a new text. Then go to the option where you can see the name of the font you are using as it shows in the screen. On the side, it will show a list of the fonts available. Below, look for the Upload a Font option and tap it. It will show a pop-up window. Simply look for the font that you want to upload, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.